ready to make a no-bake dessert so simple, even beginners can nail it. This Rocky Road recipe is rich, gooey and packed with flavour. Stick around to see how it all comes together. We start with the butter in the pan. No microwave, no fuss, no double boiler, just good old-fashioned melting over low heat. Watch how quickly this comes together. A quick stir breaks it down, and in no time it's ready for the next step. Now comes the star of the show. 200 grams of chocolate. Highest quality dark chocolate for a bold flavour, or you can switch to milk for something sweeter. It's all about what you love, or the people you're making it for. Pro tip, chop the chocolate finely for quicker melting. And yes, more chocolate means more deliciousness. So in goes 2 to 3 tablespoons of golden syrup. Okay. This adds that caramel sweetness we all like. Stir it all in together and you just see this glossy finish appear. It really is irresistible. Next up is the crunch. Add 200 grams of roughly crushed digestive biscuits and 100 grams of mini marshmallows. Optional extras like raisins or nuts, you do you, whatever you want. Throw them in if you want an extra twist, right? Now don't forget to prep your dish with parchment to make sure nothing sticks. Trust me, this is key to a flawless finish, right, on the outside. And then once you're pouring it in there, give it all a good stir, right? This is where the magic happens. Everything coated in that rich chocolatey goodness. It's looking like a rocky road already. Use a spatula, it's a spatula, right? A silicone spatula to get everything out of the pan. And then you can use the same thing to pat the rocky road into the parchment paper. And what we're trying to avoid here is no air bubbles, okay? We don't want pockets of air because when you go to cut it, that's going to break, okay? So pour the mixture into the lined dish, use that spatula. Let's be honest, right? None of this should go to waste, so you can lick the spatula. Spread it out evenly, smooth on tops, no lumps or bumps, okay? Cover it with cling film and press it gently onto the surface. This helps it set beautifully in the fridge, and it's almost ready. After 2 hours in the fridge, this is the result. Your very own Rocky Road. Slice it up, dice it up, serve it up, cup of coffee, glass of milk, and watch it disappear in minutes. Perfect for holidays, parties, or just because. So if you liked what you saw, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's your favourite Rocky Road add-in? Let's keep it sweet.